fingers off when it snap. Hello. Alright guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a mod on the EVO. We're going to be spray painting the tan headliner black to match the rest of the interior. So let's get into it. Yeah, so we were struggling with this clip and it sat in the ceiling like that. So pretty much it's just two push tabs. You gotta push them both at the same time, then it'll just slide right out. Apparently that was a lot more difficult than I thought it was.
You got there, Rob?
That's a good question. Stimulus check.
Stimulus check.
Well, it's from the Department of Motor Vehicles. So.
All right, guys, so far Quinn and Robbie have been tackling this build, or this disassembly, I guess. They basically got all the interior bits out. Now we got to pull the headliner.
How long do you think it's gonna take for Rob to notice that we took his shift knob off and replaced it for the ninja knob? Yo, that actually looks kind of fire though.
Dude, it really does. It matches the stitching.
It does. He's gonna hate it though, I know he will. He's gonna notice instantly, man. He's gonna... How long is it gonna take him to notice? Dude, he's gonna look at the interior and it just sticks out like a sore thumb.
Oh my gosh, yeah, because it's no longer just a pink ball. I actually kind of like that. It looks sick, doesn't it? You need that. I like it. We might have to take it off to get this out though.
Hey, Rob, how hard do you think it was to pull that headliner out?
Once we kind of got a lay of the land, it wasn't too difficult.
Something like a 5 out of 10. That really wasn't bad.
Just getting there with all the crunching noises that didn't help my self-esteem. I mean, it wasn't terrible, but it wasn't fantastic. So yeah, 5 out of 10.
Yeah. So we're not only painting the headliner, but Rob wants to also paint his actual interior trim pieces. Right, Rob?
Yes. No more tan.
No more. Basically, everything's gonna be nighted out. It's gonna look beautiful. Rob's pulling out the EVO right now because of overspray issues. It's stinky, isn't it?
It's potent, that's for sure.
My lungs are enjoying this for sure.
Dude, I've been printing my lungs for 1,000 years.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys ever have spray painted before, but it's smelly.
Especially when you do it in a garage.
Yeah, I'm not talking about like spray paint, like, you know, it's a little thing. I'm talking like several square feet.
Yo, it genuinely looks like it's Alcantara wrap though.
Yeah, I love it. I think it looks sick.
Like you can see like it just looked like someone like rubbed their fingers
This
through
is running
it.
out as well.
It looks minty. You do need 2 more cans though, for.
Oh, yeah. Easily.
Yeah, I'll buy probably 3 or 4 more cans because we have to. Most of the trim is done. We have to flip the sun visors and get the other side, and just 2 coats on that will be fine.
Yeah, it's way cheaper than Amazon.
Yeah, that's fair. I like that idea.
Like, literally half the price.
And then probably another. I'll get 4 cans because 3 cans for the actual headliner, and then 1 for all the other small stuff, which should be good.
Yeah, exactly.
But this is what 2 cans have gotten us on a headline base.
You also have that other trim piece to paint as well. Oh wait, no, you're not painting those. Never mind. I was thinking about the passenger door.
Alright guys, so that's pretty much going to do it for this video. As you can see, we have all the stuff painted. We have a little bit left over because we have to do the B-pillars, or is that the B-pillars? Yeah, that's the B-pillars. In the middle of the car, have to get a different tool for that to get one of them out just because seatbelts are a thing. So we're not putting it back in the car in this video because we are planning on doing something else with a headliner that we've already done on this channel. So just stay tuned for that. Thank you guys, and y'all stay rich while out there. See ya.